Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Skype. Let's have a look now. In the Skype application, navigate to your account settings. Click on these three dots, select Settings, then click on Contact. This is where you can manage the list of contacts you have blocked. Click on Blocked Contacts and find the contact you want to unblock. Then select Unblock. Now the contact will be unblocked. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.